Do what you love to do on YouTube. After massive amounts of research that I have done regarding marketing, SEO, YouTube channel growth, what's hot and trending, I have found that one of the biggest successes you can do for your channel is do what you love. Patel, who was one of the best internet marketers in the world, mentioned in a recent interview that doing what you love is one of the best things you can do for your marketing. One reason why doing what you love is so important, it's because it comes across your channel as natural and honest. People respond to true originality and when you're just being yourself, not a made-up version to try and make money. We all know how complicated marketing any platform or channel can be in today's wide array of social media, blogs, websites, and more. It's like we have to become this mastermind of multimedia, SEO, design, and technology. It's easy to become overwhelmed, especially when you aren't getting any results at all from your post on your brand channels. Creating amazing content that is thoughtful is a plus for your brand. Do something and do it really well. You might be asking yourself, what content do I need to create to become successful on YouTube or other platforms? The market is flooded with ideas that are already taken. Solving people's problems is a huge platform that is so popular on YouTube right now. People are essentially looking for ways to solve problems or learning how to do something they don't know how to do. Finding solutions for your audience is a great start. All in all, doing what you love comes down to your deep inside feelings about your creation processes. Will what you are creating now still be in your main focus in the future? Burnout is a real issue with content creators because they hit a certain goal and then they just watch their channel fizzle out. It's because what drove them before isn't much of a feeling anymore, and to be able to drive that individual to keep creating similar content is much harder. The main goal of this tutorial is to make you see how valuable you are to your own marketing needs. You can do this. People will respond in positive ways. It's all by doing what you love to do most of all, before you go into the marketing and SEO stages of the process. Have fun creating your content and get down to your true feelings of what makes you tick. What really makes you jump out of bed in the morning? Find that inner peace and soulful inspiration that comes from your heart. I really hope this helps you on your journey to success and happiness. May you reach all of your goals and be the winner that you deserve to be. I will see you next time on MindSpark. Any feedback on this video is highly appreciated.